Hello everyone, and today I'll be doing another video. I am today making a little short makeup tutorial video. I don't really know what kind of makeup tutorial this is. Probably just like one of my fancy makeups I do, like going out. Yeah, let's just get into the video. First I'll be going with my e.l.f. primer. It is the best primer I've got and the only primer I've got. And I'm going in with my my e.l.f. primer brush, whatever it is. Applying it all over my face. I'll be going with my Australis concealer. I can't really see it on here just because of the lighting. Then I'll be going in with my toothbrush, makeup brush. Well, I don't know if it's actually called toothbrush, but that's how I got it from the shop, and it said toothbrush. So I don't know if anyone else calls it. Definitely tell me in the comments below. And I'm just gonna blend this out. Now I'll be going with my Morphe palette, and I'll be going in with this shade here. Going in again with my Morphe palette. I'll be going in with this light brown here for bronzing. I don't do contour. I hate contour and I suck at contour. So I just go in with like a really light brown. I do it here. Whoa. Might have to blend that out. Then I'll be going in with my Anastasia Glow. I nearly dropped that. Going in with my Glow Kit, and I'll be going in with this colour right here, and then I'll be going in, where is my brush, with this brush here, and I'll be just applying that on my, can't really even see it on camera. I need like a actual light to shine on here, and then you can see it. Oh, it's still coming up. I will be going in with my Urban Decay eye primer. Yes. Whoa. Next, I'll be going with my Morphe palette. This is an eyeshadow one. And I'll be going in with this colour right here, because I want to try and do like a natural look, but also like bold. And you're just putting that on my because I don't want it to be too dark. I think I forgot to take my. Ew. I swear my eyelash is gonna fall off because I never take mascara off. I'm just gonna blend it out now with my smudge brush. I blended this out, and I'll be going in with my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'll be going in with this colour. I don't know why it's like that. I should just like, there it gets better. Going in with this colour and a tiny bit of that colour. Is it raining? Oh no, it's just the wind. Don't worry. Done the eyeshadow. Now I'm doing I don't know what it's called. It's called the cut crease. I'm doing like the concealer there and then adding like this glitter there. So yeah, I'm doing that, and I'm going in with my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer, and you can tell I use a lot of it. Well, it used to be my friend's, and then she gave it to me because it's like it was just too light for her skin, so she gave it to me. So yeah, let's just test this out. Are you serious? I got it on. I knew that was gonna happen. Yeah, so I've done my cut crease. Now I'm going in with my NYX Roll On Shimmer. So I've done my glitter. I'll be using my MAC mascara. MAC mascara. I nearly forgot this mascara. How silly. Oh, look at my hair. That's what it looked like if it was short. Okay, so next thing I'll be going in with is my BOS matte lipstick, and it's like in this shade. It's like a purpley nudie colour because I don't like dark colours. Like, no. I only go like this. Last thing I'll be going in with is my Pixi setting spray. I'll just be going like this. Done. Hey guys, this is my final look. It's like my bold, natural, going out, glittery look that I really like. I do more than like this, like more bolder, but I really do like this style. It's just simple and it's easy, and I do it all the time. So, yeah. No! What is this? Why isn't this working? I'm trying to like open my thing. It's not working. Thank you guys so much for thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys like this video and give a big thumbs up. Comment down below for any other ideas, because I would like some ideas, because it was really hard for me to choose what to do. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll guys see you next time in another video. See ya.